Hi friends, welcome back to my channel TR Production. So friends, before I start this video, I request you all to subscribe to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you skin whitening rice face pack. Main ingredients are rice flour and milk. In rice, along with anti-aging properties, also has skin brightening properties. If you have tan or pigmented skin tone, rice is one of the best ingredients. Raw milk is very effective for fair and glowing skin. Now let's see how to make this face pack. Take a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of rice flour. After that, add to some raw milk to make a thick and creamy paste. Paste should be like this. I will show you how to apply this. Apply thick layer of this pack on your face and neck and then let it dry for 20 minutes. Then wash it with normal water. You will see an instant difference on your face. After you use this pack, your skin will feel soft and glow. So friends, if you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye bye.